A lot of students ask me, ma'am, I'm weak in maths, what should I do? Stories that I tell a lot of my students, one of my most favorite stories is of a student of mine called Priyansha Sharma. She was also weak in maths. This was her repeat year as such. She had given CAT once earlier. She had not succeeded in getting the required percentile and she was repeating CAT. In the second year, she realized that she was weak in maths. She knew that I have to do something about quant because otherwise I'm not going to clear the cutoff. So then she decided that she firstly took Kraku's full course. She started practicing every single day. Every single day she used to answer questions. She used to answer 20-30 questions every single day. And I soon noticed that every single day there is at least one doubt, two doubts. Every day there were 2-3 doubts from Priyansha. Then I started noticing, okay, Priyansha is solving a lot of questions. She is asking a lot of doubts. So in the end, I remember that she had solved over 5,000 questions. She has solved almost, I think, the entire study room. She also practiced a lot of mock tests, sectionals. She took all the mocks and sectionals. So whenever she would solve a question, she would put a lot of effort to understand the explanation. If she didn't understand the explanation, she would ask doubt. She asked 380 doubts. She would ask follow-up doubts. Okay, how did you get this? How did you do that? Explain this step, explain that step. She put a lot of effort to first solve those questions, and whenever she got stuck, whenever she couldn't solve, she put that additional effort to get her doubts clarified. She put so much effort that quant was no longer her weakness. She did very, very well in quant. Why? Because she put that extra effort. She knew that she was weak in quant and then she solved the entire study room. She put in a lot of effort to solve the questions, understand and learn. That is the best way you can overcome a weakness in quants, because quants is all about solving questions. It is all about practicing questions. Anybody who practices, who does the hard work of practicing, you're going to get the result you want. If you practice, if you solve questions, if you learn from the questions you solve, both the questions you solve or you couldn't solve, if you learn from both of them, you will move forward. You will no longer be weak in quant. So that is what I would tell all those who are saying that, ma'am, I'm weak in quant, what should I do? Solve questions like crazy. I would say that try to follow Priyansha's example. So if you want to follow her example, if you want to do really well in quant like her, then follow her example by solving the entire study room. This is a challenge to all the students. Try to solve the entire study room of quant questions. If you do that and if you put an effort to understand every single question that you have solved, I am 100% sure you're getting more than 99 percentile in quant.